How to join Forsaken Discord server. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can join Forsaken Discord server. For this, you first of all want to launch open the Roblox app. Now tap on the search icon at the top and here you want to search for. Go ahead and select Forsaken from here. Now scroll down a bit. At the bottom, you will find the Discord icon. Go ahead and select that. Now here it's going to say leaving Roblox. Go ahead and select continue. If you have the Discord app, it will now open in the Discord app. If not, it's going to open in the web browser. All you want to do is simply log into your Discord account. Then select accept invite. In this way, you can easily join Forsaken Discord server, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.